Okay, today is golf day. Golf in Arizona. We haven't played golf in Arizona yet. We will probably play a couple of times because we are going to be in Arizona for the entire month of January. So it's actually January 8th today. We're in Lake Havasu. We're actually just down from Lake Havasu City, kind of near Parker, a little south of Parker, at a course called Emerald Canyon. It's right across the street from our RV park, Pirates Den. Or Pirates Cove. I can never get the name right. But it's literally right across the street. So it took us like 2 minutes to get here, which is amazing. We're playing in the afternoon. It's like 1 o'clock. Our tee time's at like 1:15, I think. And so we're going to try to play as much as we can. It's just the two of us today, so we probably will be able to get in a full 18 holes. When we play with other people, we tend to go a little slower. So sometimes if we play in the afternoon, we can only play 9 holes. But it's a pretty nice day. The temperatures are like 65. It's a little windy. I think the winds are supposed to be kicking up. So hopefully it doesn't get too cold and windy. Paul went to go get the cart and we're going to get started in a few. Let that out there.
Found a golf cart.
Found a golf cart. Sweet.
Sit up there.
This is Emerald Canyon Golf Course. Look at how beautiful that is. This might go down as one of the most scenic, oh, you okay? And beautiful courses we've played out so far. Potentially. We'll let you know. But we've got on the front 9. I always lose my... We're going to play from Emerald?
Yeah, let's go Emerald.
Okay, so 2488 from the front, 2702 on the back for a total of 5190. That's a pretty long course, but should be good times. Here we go. So this is a beautiful course, but this is not a good sign to come across. Beware of
It's
snakes.
too cold for snakes.
Okay, we're gonna do snakes out. Basically has a huge drop off. Let's go see what's on the other. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Wow. There it is down there. This is hole number 5. Hole number 6 is there. Go in that direction. Look at this golf course in a canyon. That must be why they call it Emerald Canyon.
Somebody messed up with their brakes.
Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh, so beautiful.
Some guy just stand there all day long.
Oh my gosh. So this is hole number 6, and it's a blind tee shot. So there's a guy right up here.
Woo! Nice.
That will apparently tell us when we're good to go. I'm filming here.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm cheering on other people.
Anyway, there's a guy right here
Right over there.
who will tell us if we can go. Yeah, he was very grumpy. We were like, wow, this is so beautiful here. He's like, yeah, it gets old after 5 hours. We were like, okay then, we're not going to talk to you anymore. So apparently he will tell us when it's clear and then we can tee off. So on our blind tee shot, Paul very conveniently hit his ball. You can't really see it in the video. Right there, kind of blends in. Right next to the stairs. So good job, honey. Not much further to the green. Back through the swirly, twirly gumdrop forest. Is this the same tunnel we went under?
Sure
Yeah, it
is.
is.
Yep.
Look at that.
Just a different perspective.
What's this little box?
Water box, no water in it.
Oh yeah.
G7.
Woo! Look at how cool it looks from the exposure changes. Looks so cool. Another gorgeous hole. This course is really pretty. birdie. Oh, jeez. Oh my gosh.
Highway noise.
So this is the 10th hole, and literally right behind us is the entrance to the RV park. So close. Okay, I'm calling it right now. This is my favorite course we've ever played.
Yeah. It could not be a better time to play.
No,
like
it's so perfect. Look at this.
It's like 70 degrees.
Look at
Yeah.
this.
Look at that. You can see the water. There's the, what G is that right there?
I think that was 15.
15?
15 or
16.
14.
Yeah. I mean, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
There's zero wind right now, which is amazing.
This course is just, it's stunning. Just
it's
the
fantastic.
greens mixed in with the canyons.
Yeah. So if you are anywhere near Parker or
Lake Havasu City.
Lake Havasu
Come down
City,
here to Emerald Canyon.
Emerald Canyon.
Not sponsored. We just really like it.
If you want to sponsor us, feel free. Give us a free round of golf.
No, this is out of all the courses we played this year. Well, it's early 2021, but on our travels,
Yeah.
my favorite.
Yep. This is fantastic.
Beautiful. Love it.
Beautiful. We just had a shot for Eagle. It was a par 4, and it landed on the green.
It was crazy. While people were
It
on
was
it.
insane. Yeah, I did not expect to land on the green.
No,
That was
you
crazy.
almost killed them.
I almost killed them. But
We had to yell for and everything.
yeah, and they're like, "You want us to hit it in?"
You
It's
want
great.
to put it in? It was pretty fun.
But we missed our Eagle shot. It was probably about a 30-foot, 40-foot par or putt. But we did get a birdie.
Yeah.
So that's pretty sweet. All right, now this one goes on and it'll be a whole different game.